Yeah, look, it's a great workshop. It just gives you the personal skills to be able to understand and communicate in situations that we might not necessarily be aware of without it being pointed out to us. So the workshop's just a great way to learn or to pick up or to reinforce those skills in how we can communicate with people and listen to them and make people feel heard. The presentation was fantastic. We had Liz today and she communicated really well, made everything super clear and really easy for us to understand. And having a great bunch of people with us where we could role play just made what we were hearing more practical and making sure that we were able to outwork what we were learning today. So overall, a fantastic workshop, and really glad that I could be a part of it, and would recommend it to anybody who had any sort of interaction with people in a situation where they feel like they might be confronted with some situations that they're not quite sure on how to handle.